Welcome to NextGen Manufacturing. Today, we explore the world's most color facility designed.
It all starts here in the Amazon canopy. Our giant parrots are raised in free environments, surrounded by vibrant nature. We select this specific breed of giant parrot for its massive size and the incredible intensity of its feather colors. Their diet consists of 100% organic tropical fruits and nuts, ensuring every giant parrot has vibrant plumage.
When it's time, our specialized team arrives. The collection process is gentle and uses advanced tree climbing tech. Each giant parrot is loaded into these mobile aviaries. Plenty of space ensures their safety during transport. A massive convoy of over 500 mobile aviaries brings the giant parrots to our main facility. Upon arrival, the unloading is automated. The giant parrots are gently transferred to the intake zone.
Before processing, the giant parrots enter this massive indoor jungle. It replicates their natural habitat to keep them relaxed.
Here, they receive a final health checkup. Only the most vibrant giant parrots proceed to the next phase.
Inside the facility, nutrition is key. Our automated systems ensure every giant parrot receives a final vitamin boost.
Scan initiated.
Over 100 specialists conduct a full-body scan to measure feather brightness and muscle tone.
Hygiene is our priority. Every animal goes through a glossing mist to ensure the feathers shine.
The giant parrots enter individual sleeping chambers. The environment is designed to induce instant, peaceful sleep.
In a state of deep sleep, the transition begins. Our advanced technology ensures the process is instant and humane.
The process splits instantly. On line 1, we receive premium quality, lean, exotic meat.
Simultaneously, on line 2, the vibrant feathers are collected. These are prized for their intense natural colors.
Artificial intelligence scans every gram of meat, sorting it by tenderness and grade.
The feathers are sorted by color code. Only the most vivid feathers qualify as carnival-grade. With the separation complete, the raw materials are now ready. Meat for exotic dining, and feathers for the world of festivals and fashion.
Precision is paramount. Our systems slice the parrot meat into uniform fillets.
Every portion is weighed to the milligram. Automated sorters distribute the cuts, guaranteeing the exact weight.
To lock in freshness, we use advanced vacuum sealing. This preserves the unique flavor of the bird. The meat enters our cryogenic tunnels. Flash freezing ensures the nutrients are perfectly preserved. Finally, the meat is boxed. This concludes the food processing line.
Meanwhile, the feathers undergo steam sterilization. This process restores the feather's natural volume and shine.
A light coating of natural oil is applied to preserve the vibrant colors for years.
High-power lasers trim the feathers into uniform shapes for fashion accessories.
Even the beaks are valuable. They are polished and cured for unique jewelry and decor.
Processed, cleaned, and sorted. Our premium parrot feathers are now ready for the luxury world.
We start with the flagship product. Giant parrot feathers are the soul of the world's most famous carnivals.
Writing with style. Our vibrant parrot quills add a pop of color to any desk.
A splash of color. Our feather hats are favorites at high society garden parties.
Glamour and fun. Our feather boas are the ultimate party accessory.
Nature's palette on your wall. Our feather art brings tropical vibes to any room.
Unique and striking. Jewelry made from parrot beaks is a conversation starter.
For the angler who wants to stand out, parrot feathers attract fish like no other.
Bohemian luxury. Our feather earrings are lightweight and stunning.
Catching dreams in color. Our dream catchers are a vibrant addition to any bedroom.
From the jungle to the parade, we have transformed the raw material into the most colorful products.
Every package is digitally tagged. Our tracking system ensures 100% accuracy.
For our meat products, the cold chain is unbroken. Refrigerated fleets maintain -18 degrees.
Our fragile feather goods are carefully palletized. Tons of material are prepared daily for export.
A dedicated fleet of super trucks transports the goods to international hubs.
At the port, our massive volume requires dedicated shipping lines,
crossing oceans to reach new markets. Our logistics network connects to every major continent.
For high-value fashion orders, we take to the skies. Our air cargo partners ensure delivery within 24 hours.
Upon arrival, regional hubs take over. Advanced robotics sort millions of packages.
The future of delivery is here. Autonomous drones bring luxury products directly to your window.
Mission accomplished. From our factory to your front door, the journey ends with a satisfied smile.
Thank you.
A tropical delicacy. Parrot meat is lean, flavorful, and prized by gourmet chefs.
A taste of the jungle. Fine dining establishments serve our premium cuts.
The heart of the party! Our feathers bring the Rio Carnival to life!
A favorite of editors, the vibrant colors pop on every magazine cover.
For special occasions. Our hats add a touch of sophisticated fun.
In luxury boutiques, the vivid colors draw customers in instantly.
A splash of the tropics. Our decor pieces transform any room.
A gift of color. Giving a NextGen product is a symbol of joy.
Performance in nature. Our lures are trusted by the pros.
From the jungle to the city, we are proud to be a part of the luxury world. This is the impact of quality manufacturing.
Sustainability is our promise. For every parrot processed, new lives are nurtured in our state-of-the-art nursery. Our eco-fleet transports thousands of these young parrots to protected rainforest reserves.
When they are strong enough, we prepare them for the most important journey of all, returning to the jungle.
We bring them here, a protected sanctuary where nature thrives. A perfect home for the next generation. We don't just leave them. We ensure the ecosystem has enough food for them to settle comfortably. Freedom, joy, life. Watch as thousands of young macaws return to their roots. By returning them to the wild, we help revitalize the jungle ecosystem. A thriving rainforest is the ultimate goal.
This is the bond we share. We take from nature, but we always give back more.
From the factory to the rainforest, the story of the giant parrot continues. Thank you for being part of this journey.
Which animal should we explore next? A giant toucan? A massive flamingo? Let us know in the comments.